Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to change camera view. So as example, we'll create the cube object and the seconds you can create for the cylinder. Okay, use the move tools to move the cylinder. And the next in here we have the perspective camera. So you can go to panels and perspective. We have the one camera. So if you want to add more camera, like I will moving the view like into here, and you can click view, click create camera from view. Now you can move again the camera to this point, and then you can go to panels perspective. So I will move to perspective camera. So this is for the first camera, and the second you can see we have this camera. So you can go to panels perspective and use the perspective one to change the camera view like this. So this is for the camera one, and this is for the camera 2. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to change camera view.